everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me on this 21-day yoga challenge, and today we'll be doing step-by-step Vasisthasana or the side plank pose. Now if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I have tried this pose everywhere, almost everywhere I've gone across the globe, because this is super easy to do, super Instagrammable. So let's learn how to do it. Before we get into the posture, let's see the flow or the vinyasa in which it's easier to do it. So I'm going to do it on the side that's visible to the camera. I'm going to start with the plank pose. So remember to keep those things in mind, taking that C curve out, not being too high, not being too low. Once you're in the plank pose, I'm going to come on top of the side, balance on one foot, open up the chest, gaze up. Okay, so that's how the pose looks like. Let's see some of the mistakes people commonly end up doing. One thing is the distribution of weight on your palms. So notice when you keep your palms down, a lot of people have this habit of keeping the base of their palm heavy and the weight is not distributed evenly throughout the palms. First thing is to really open up your palm. Secondly, when you place your palm down on the floor, really catch it like a spider. So like a Spider-Man, really catch it. So notice that my middle finger, the fingers, the tips of the finger and the base of the palm are really grounded on the mat. They're catching it, and your fingers could go up like so. But yeah, this way the weight is evenly distributed. So when I'm keeping my palm down, I'm really pressing down the whole of it. Second mistake people do is they drop their hips. So remember to actively keep engaging your core and pushing your hips up. So in order to do that, you have to keep your legs also flexed. Okay. So let's see, if you're a very beginner, how you can best do the pose. I recommend getting into the elbow variation of this pose. So I'm going to keep my elbow down, keeping one foot on top of the other. I'm going to lift my hips up. So I'm here, I'm going to lift my hips up, open up the chest, gaze up, get your hand up. Again, remember to keep the weight of your body even on the whole elbow, and your palm shouldn't be free. So I'm really pressing down the whole thing. So yeah, this is a great variation that you can do. Once you get comfortable in the pose though, as you get comfortable in the pose, you can lift one leg up. I hope you like this video and you will try out this pose. Do let me know in the comment section below how your experience was. If you like more such videos, do like, share and subscribe this channel, and I'll see you tomorrow with another challenge.